Spain, we're seeing how the macroeconomic fundamentals are obviously looking much better. The economic recovery is well on its way. We're seeing that the perspective of the outlook is quite positive in that sense, and obviously that's having an effect in real estate and particularly in residential. 2014 we had our historic highest investment volume in the market in that sense, which is significant in terms of understanding how capital is behaving and how they're focusing in Spain. I think particularly in the residential sector we've seen a great deal of activity, mainly from international players, institutional investors that have been acquiring a lot of the servicing platforms in the hands of the banks as a means of structuring their presence and their capabilities of property management of those assets, and are now obviously acquiring institutional lots of residential real estate. A lot of those investors, or the origin of those investors, are obviously international and basically U.S. investors. Some of the names that we've seen come up more often have been investors of the like of Kennedy, Vardy, Cerberus, Blackstone, Goldman's, that have either buying the servicing platforms of these banks or have been acquiring a lot of the portfolios that have been put out in the market. So obviously we're seeing that real estate, and particularly residential, is bottoming out in 2014 in terms of prices. We're seeing that the largest cities are the ones that are earlier recovering and seeing clear signs of prices accelerating in terms of rising prices of the capital values in that sense, and the regional areas obviously lagging behind in that sense. But obviously we're seeing clear signs from foreign buyers that obviously want to come back in Spain and acquire a lot of that residential that's now very well priced.